What's going on, y'all? Welcome to today's video, and today I took a quick road trip and hung out with my brother for lunch and got to know my new car a little bit better. Let's rewind to this morning. Good morning, y'all. I hope you're having a great day. This morning, we are going to Washington, D.C. So far, I found that there's a lot to like about this truck. I've never owned an SUV before. The commanding road presence is definitely something that I enjoy. Some of my favorite YouTubers have Range Rovers, namely Doug DeMuro, who had a Range Rover, talk about his interesting ownership experience.
Range Rover is not exactly the world's most reliable car. In fact,
I've wanted a Range Rover since 2003 when the L322 model, which is what this is, came out. It underwent a few facelifts along the way, and this was the last facelift for the L322 before it was replaced by the L405. I got plenty of room to stretch out. Really enjoyed the extra armrest here, in addition to the center console down there. Really quiet compared to Ashley Larry, a 17-year-old Acura.
2 hours later.
One thing that I have noticed is this truck misses no meals. With a 24-gallon tank and averaging 18 miles per gallon in my normal driving, I get about 350, 375 miles out of a tank. So I decided to take this road trip for no particular reason other than I wanted to get out of Norfolk for a little bit, even if just for the day. I was doing some work yesterday, so couldn't really escape. Man, there go my glasses. I guess that's why you shut those. I want to introduce you guys to someone that I haven't really talked about before, because well, when I started out the channel, we hadn't really been in contact, and then when we did get back in contact, I was still on the West Coast. So I want you guys to come with me to meet my brother. So just wrapped up lunch with my brother, and I told you guys that you guys were going to meet him today. So here he is, my man Kurt.
Hello world. Here chilling with my baby bruh, who's a grown man now. Got gray in his face, like his brother. Just so happy, man, to see him. I love him to death. And he was on the West Coast. I couldn't really get out there, but now he's on the East Coast. So I'm gonna bug him every chance I get to get up here, or I get down there to see him and his lady, Miss Rosetta. How are you, babe? Well, I'll see you soon. And hey, it's just a pleasure to be in the company of this young man who I love dearly. We out.
So it was great seeing Kurt today. Haven't seen him in a while. And thank you guys for checking out the video and coming and hanging out with me and my big brother. So I appreciate you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any feedback, make sure you leave that in the comment section below. I really enjoy you guys' comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys next video.